The rolling stop isn't a fail.
It's not a bad game.
He is moving.
That was a bit of a...
Yeah, it was a little hot.
Sloppy. Yeah. I keep forgetting that we shoulder check because there's that blind spot that the mirror can't see.
So you know what to do if there's an emergency vehicle on your driver's test, right?
You pull to the side of the road and stop.
Immediately. That's an automatic fail on a driver's test if you don't stop. I had a truck driving student a few years back coming down Hospital Hill. The ambulance pulled out, but turned off before we get down to this intersection here. When we come down, we come through the intersection and the fire truck comes out. He just keeps going. In the morning when we were getting ready to go, his test was the next day. He's like, I got this. Ah! I looked at him after he drove past the emergency vehicle and I said, you just failed your driver's test. What are you talking about? Ah! What does an emergency vehicle mean? Because these are guys that have licenses and are supposed to know what to do, right?
I think they repainted the
They did repaint some of the lines. It's quite nice now.
I woke up and I was like, wait, was that always there?
No, it's an annual thing where they repaint the lines every spring. We'll go left at that traffic light.
I keep forgetting that we shoulder check because there's that blind spot that the mirror can't see.
Left here. So shoulder check here. And then shoulder check right there. Perfect. You're over the stop line yet again.
I obviously have no idea where the wheels are.
So you see the stop line, and just as it rolls under the front of the car, that's when you come to a stop.
Now watch, I'm gonna nail every stop line now. Because that's information I didn't think about before.
Yep.
This video is made possible by the course package, Pass Your Driver's Test First Time. Because we know that your driver's test is the most stressful day of your life. And without some form of driver training, your chances of passing are less than 50%. As a bonus, we'll include both the defensive and winter driving smart courses. These will make you a safer, smarter driver and reduce your chances of being involved in an accident. Click down in the description there and get full details.
So remember we were talking about Hooper, the guy driving backwards at 55 miles an hour in a Chevy stepside?
Oh, yeah.
I looked up the movie. My God, safety authorities in this day and age would lose their mind. Lose their mind. They're driving down the road, they're playing bumper tag. Do you know what bumper tag is?
I do not.
You, like, literally, there's a group of you and you're all playing tag and you literally slam the bumper of the car in front of you.
It's not a bad game.
He is moving.
He is on a mission, that's for sure.
Oh, he's going. He's giving her. I don't think I've ever seen an emergency vehicle blow through an intersection that fast.
Yeah, I know.
That fire truck did not even slow down.
Now the cops are firing up over there. I don't know why I always get so nervous about city driving. It's not that bad.
Just keep your space. Observe lots. Watch what other people are doing. We'll go right here at this intersection. Yeah, those are bell bottoms. Those are from the 70s. And in the 70s, not only did they wear bell bottoms, but and shoulder check. And don't do that.
Oh, don't do that?
Let him go first.
Okay.
When you're turning onto a multi-lane road, don't turn in beside another vehicle. Either turn in front of them or turn in behind them. And when they goofballs like that want to do that, because 50% of the time, people that come around on the left, they just drift right over to the right, and then they're going to sideswipe you. Actually, I had a guy do that to me yesterday. I'm driving up number 6 highway, and I'm in the left lane because I'm going to turn left into East Hill. And this guy in this Chrysler 300 just like cruises into the little tiny space between me and the vehicle that was in the next lane to me, and then just like guns it and goes up and turns left. It's like, well, I guess you got a half a block in front of me. Have a nice day. The rolling stop isn't a fail, but you just want to try and reduce the amount of demerits that you get.
Yeah.
You don't want to demerit out, right?
Is the demerit out system like 3 demerits total when you're done, or is it like?
Oh no, you get like
one here, one
35
there?
points.
Oh, okay.
And they assign a certain point value depending on what the error is. So for example, if you drift in your lane and you touch the line, that's 5 or 10 points depending on the discretion of the examiner, because the examiner has some discretion, right? Rolling stop might be 20 points if you don't come to a complete stop. So right, you get 1 rolling stop and it's 15 or 20 points, and then you get 1 line at 10 points. You know, you're pretty close there, right? So you want to try and reduce the amount of points you're getting. You know, you might get 3 or 4, you might get 5 points for not shoulder checking. So you want to try and reduce all that. You don't want to demerit out. You just need a pass, right? So and you only got to hold it together for 20 minutes, half an hour. That's it. And if you make a mistake, just take a breath. Don't get stuck on it. Just collect yourself and carry on, because he or she may not even have seen it. Because remember, they do 20 or 30 exams a day.
Yeah.
And I'm sure after a while they're just like,
yeah. They're on a beach in Tahiti or something.
yeah,
Sipping mangoes.
yeah. So just keep going. If you make a mistake, just keep going. Just keep going. Don't get stuck in a mistake. Excellent. No, but you're almost there. You're almost there.
Hang on there 1 sec. Click the link down here. Check out Pass Your Driver's Test First Time Course Package. It'll guarantee that you pass your driving test. If that doesn't work for you, click up at the top there for another video, and that'll get you 1 step closer. And remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day. Bye now.